So I have a Nissan Versa 2008. It's making a weird sound. Not yet quite sure what it is. My dad's made the same sound just before his transmission went out. But you can hear it a lot at idle. The fan will start. The fan will start, and then you'll get this like almost like a ticking sound. It's very subtle, but I don't know. I'm not quite sure what it is. But here, I'll start the car real quick. Not quite sure what that is exactly. It's got it. The car has been, when we first got it, it was extremely quiet. I just checked trans fluid. Trans fluid looked fine, if not a little bit dirty. And then the oil looked fine. I just got it. I just did an oil change on it like a month ago. All levels are pretty much full. Coolant's like halfway. Let me see if I can get that. Coolant's like halfway up. I don't think it's the issue, but you know, it could be. I don't know if you hear that. It's just. It sounds like it might be the alternator. Oh, that's why. It's a pulley, I think. Right? The guy told me it was a belt. It's a pulley. Huh. Or, sorry, the guy told me it was a chain. Alright, that's good to know. Well, I'm still curious what the sound is. I think it could be the pulley. It's starting to go a little bad or something. I'm not quite sure, but I would just love to know. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know. Thanks.